Having to follow such a successful performance is our next act. 27-year-old singing teacher Kat Vass, who has struggled with nerves and self-doubt since arriving at Bootcamp.
Do you not think so far ahead?
Cat, I could hardly hear you sing through all of that.
I'm still really struggling with why I can't get the confidence to sing like I usually sing.
Now having to face not only the judges, but a 1,000-strong audience, Kat must conquer her fears or miss her chance of making it to home visits.
You're freaking out. The nerves come and go, and they're just completely unpredictable.
The X Factor is very hard to define. Everybody asks us, what is it? But you know when you see it. You just know. This girl has a great voice. Let me know what you think. This is Kat Vass. Kat, how you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
This is your moment, Kat. Only you can make this work, okay?
I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with a roof over our heads. Come share the shelter.
Welcome to the X Factor.
Of my single bed. Is this love, love, love that I'm feeling? Oh, and I lay my cards on the table.
Where has she been? Where has she been?
I wanna love you, baby. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you, baby. Every day and every night we'll be together. The roof over our heads. Come share the shelter of my single bed. Come share the shelter of my single bed. Stop, thank you.
I mean, that looked like a pop star to me. We were just at the Kat Vass show.
We've never heard you sing like that before.
I've been struggling, so I'm so glad that I'm getting more myself now. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
You get a good performance under your belt and you never know what can happen. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. I could hear people enjoying it. I could hear them go, oh, yeah. And I was just like, it just fed my confidence.
Great voice.
Thanks for coming.
With you just reached out and everyone was so captivated.
Like, I'm so excited, but I'm like, but is it enough? Like, I don't know.